You've heard of them in science fiction movies, or maybe even read about them in a science magazine. But really, what is a black hole? Imagine something so powerful, so dense that not even light can escape it. That's a black hole. But it's not a hole exactly. It's more like a trap door in space. And once you fall in, there's no coming back. Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of NASA Space Notes. I'm NASA Solar System Ambassador Pat Monteith. Black holes form when massive stars, way bigger than our sun, run out of fuel and collapse under their own gravity. They shrink into a tiny invisible point called a singularity, surrounded by a boundary known as the event horizon. Cross that line and you're gone forever. But here's the twist. Black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners sucking up everything in sight. In fact, if our sun were magically replaced by a black hole of the same mass, Earth would keep orbiting it completely unchanged. Weird, right? NASA and astronomers around the world have been studying black holes for decades, but we've never seen one directly until about 6 years ago in 2019, when the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first ever image of a black hole's shadow in a galaxy far, far away. Actually, 55 million light years away to be exact. It looked like a glowing orange donut, and it broke the internet. Even more interesting is that black holes warp time. According to Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, the closer you get to a black hole, the slower time moves. So if you hang out near one, which is not really recommended, you can theoretically time travel into the future and maybe into the past. And yes, there are millions of black holes in our galaxy. There's even one at the center of our Milky Way galaxy called Sagittarius A. It's huge, 4 million times the mass of our sun. But don't worry, it's pretty far away. Black holes are strange, invisible, and a little terrifying, but they also hold some of the biggest clues about how the universe works. The more we learn, the more they sort of confuse us. So next time you look up at the stars, remember, space isn't just full of light. Sometimes the most powerful things are the ones we can't see. I'm NASA Solar System Ambassador Pat Monteith.